In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to account for accruals in Xero 5 minutes. Accruals help you record expenses in the period they're incurred, even if the bill hasn't arrived yet. This keeps your profit and loss accurate at month end. We'll enter a manual journal to recognize the expense now, then set it to automatically reverse next period so you don't double count when the real bill is posted. Start by logging into Xero. From the dashboard, open the accounting menu and choose Manual Journals. Click New Journal to create a fresh entry. Set the journal date to the last day of the period you're closing. This ensures the expense is recognized in the correct month. Add a clear description so it's easy to identify later. A simple format is accrual for expense type, month, year. For example, accrual for utilities, March 2026. Good descriptions make reviews and audits much faster. Now enter your lines. On the debit line, choose the relevant expense account and enter your best estimate of the amount. Base this on prior bills, contracts, or usage trends. Accruals are estimates, so aim to be reasonable and consistent. On the credit line, select your accrued expenses liability account and enter the same amount, so the journal balances. If your chart of accounts doesn't have an accrued expenses account, create one following your organization's naming convention before posting. Before saving, check the auto reverse option on the journal screen, then set the reversal date to the first day of the next period. This tells Xero to undo the accrual automatically, clearing the liability and removing the temporary expense next month. With that set, click Post. When the actual invoice arrives, process it as a normal bill in Xero using the correct supplier, date, amount, and expense account. Because the accrual will auto-reverse at the start of the new period, the bill will be the only expense left in that month, preventing any double counting. A few tips to keep things tidy. Use tracking categories or references consistently if your reporting relies on them. Attach supporting documents or notes to the journal for context, and ensure the journal is approved according to your internal controls. If your estimate differs from the final bill, that difference will flow through the current period, which is perfectly acceptable for many month-end processes. That's it. Log in, create a manual journal dated at month end, debit the expense, credit accrued expenses, set it to auto reverse on the first of the next period, post it, and then record the real bill when it arrives. This simple workflow keeps your financials accurate and your close process efficient.